Hey guys, I recently, well, it's been a couple of weeks now, and it'll be even longer by the time you see this video, but my friends and I went on a holiday to the Gold Coast a couple of weeks ago, and I want to show you guys what I picked up while I was over there. I didn't get like any makeup or body care or anything this time when I was over there. We did more stuff like experiences, like through the worlds and escape rooms and all that kind of stuff, like, you know, go out for dinner and stuff like that. But we did do a little bit of shopping. It's mainly clothes and stuff, so I do want to show you what I got. Mind you, I'm really sad. So my picture frame has like broken up here, and I don't know how that happened or how to fix it. So anyway, let's get into the haul. So yeah, it's mainly clothes. It's pretty much all clothes, so enjoy. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was some more NBA jumpers. I have so many of them now, but anyway, I really like them. So I got this one. I can't use it. Who is it? Oh, it's the Knicks. So it's just like a crop, black crop. I think I got that one from Factory. And I got another NBA jumper. This one is the Celtics, I'm pretty sure. And green is my favorite color, so I absolutely love this jumper. I just think it's super cute. Is it who it is? Celtics? Yeah. So cute, just like oversized, has like the Celtics logo on it, and it's green, so I love it. I think that one was from Factory as well. Okay, where are these from? Oh, these are dirty because I wore them over there. That's a bit embarrassing. But these are from Factory too, and they're just like some pants, kind of like cargo pant kind of things. Oh my god, they've got so much stuff on them that is so embarrassing, but I wanted to show them to you guys anyway. So yeah, they just look like this. They're really cute though, and super comfy, and yeah, I got those. I got this skirt, which I have no idea where it's from. I don't know, but the like 3 main shops I went to were like City Beach, Universal, and Factory, so probably we're from one of those. Yeah, this is how the skirt looks. It's just like a denim one, it's white, super cute. Also from Factory I got these shorts. I think they're like, oh no, they're UCLA, and they're just like these cute little basketball kind of shorts, just something to wear around the house or like, you know, beach days or stuff like that. I got these pants and I think they are so cool. Shorts, sorry. They're like super cool, got like the chain and stuff. They remind me of like kind of like army style pants. I just think they're awesome, and I'm so excited to wear them. I feel like they're gonna be so nice for summer. I'm pretty sure I got these from City Beach. I also got myself this bikini from City Beach. It's a Playboy one, and it's so cute. It's reversible, so on one side it just has like lots of little bunny heads, and then on the other side it's just plain black and just has the one big bunny head on it. And then these are the pants, and they're the same as well. So yeah, like on, what the hell? On one side we just have the bunny head, and on the other side we have, yeah, lots of them. So I thought that was super cute, and I'm so excited to wear them. They're gonna be perfect for summer. This like last week at home has been really warm, like into like the like high 20s, like 29 and stuff all week, and it's just started raining, so I feel like we're gonna have a thunderstorm tonight. Should be exciting. What do we have in here? I actually bought a lot of clothes. I really didn't need them, but anyway. This is a skirt, I think. Yeah, this is a skirt from City Beach. I just thought it was super cute. It's like a mini skirt. I feel like it'll be really nice for like going out and stuff like that. And then I also just got this top. Once again, I feel like it'll be cute for going out. And this is the same style of top, but like in this really pretty blue color. I feel like it's they're just super cute. You can never have enough basics. I really like the material of these. I feel like they're really nice. I got this top. It's kind of like almost like a corset kind of top. It's really cute though. It's really pretty. It's like this kind of creamy color, off-white kind of color, and yeah, super cute. I'm really looking to kind of like vamp up my style and stuff at the moment. I wear a lot of like what are they called, like graphic tees and stuff, so I need some more clothes for going out in and just like to make myself look a little bit nicer, so that's what I'm trying to do at the moment. I got this Playboy top, speaking of graphic tees, but I just think it's so cool. So yeah, it looks like that on the front, just has like the little Playboy logo, and then on the back it's got this, and I just think it's super cool. It'll be great for like beach days and, you know, being around the house and all that kind of stuff. Oh, I got myself, not myself, I got a little outfit. When I went to Gold Coast last time, I bought myself the little baby Gollum. He's sitting over there, actually, I can see him right now. And I got him a little outfit just because I thought he would look really cute in it. Like, it's not going to be Lord of the Rings theme at all, but there was a Gollum in the shop dressed up in that outfit, so I thought I'll buy it. I think I was also very intoxicated when I went into Build-A-Bear and bought that outfit, so I don't even know how it's going to look, but drunk me thought it was a good idea, so. I got myself some shorts. Like, I've really been needing some like new board shorts. These ones are super comfortable. I think they're Billabong, possibly. Yes, they are. Billabong shorts. Just super comfortable, really nice material. They'll be perfect coming into the warmer weather. I got myself some socks from Platypus. Just never have enough socks, I don't think. I got this Playboy bucket hat, which I think is super cute. It's also reversible, so one side just says Playboy, and then the other side is pink, and it's got the little bunny on it. So yeah, I just thought that was super cute. City Beach had a lot of really cool stuff. We don't have City Beach down here, so it's nice to go in there and do some shopping. I got myself like another kind of corset top kind of thing, and I also got this one in white, so it's the exact same as this, but it's white. It doesn't look very flattering when I'm holding it up here, but it is a really nice top, I promise. So I've got one in white, but it's inside because I wore it the other day, so that's old, I think. I think that's a top that I took over there. It needs to go in the wash. I don't know how it ended up in here, but anyway. I got myself this dress. I just thought it was super cute. I feel like it'll be really nice for like evenings in summer and stuff. So basically, got like the top half, and then like it kind of separates in the middle, and then yeah, you've got like the bottom bit. It's really hard to show you on camera, but yeah, I feel like that'll be a really nice dress for summertime. This is just like a top. It's one of those kind of like bandana-y kind of tops, so I just feel like it'll look really cute. I did try all of this stuff on and it did all look really nice, so hopefully it still looks nice. I got myself another bikini, and I just think this is the cutest bikini ever. Like, it is so pretty, and I cannot wait to wear this. I love the pattern on it. And I also got a bag that looks like this as well, because I needed a bag to get all my luggage home. So that's the top, and then those are the pants. And yeah, I just feel like it's a super nice bikini. I love the color of it. You guys already know the green is my favorite color, so. And then I got a top, and it's like a similar kind of vibe. The pattern's just a little bit different, but it's like this. I just feel like it's super pretty. Something a little bit different. And then the last thing in here is just a top from Cotton On. It's just like a, are these called halter necks? Where they just like, you know, kind of like this. Looks a bit like a bib at the moment, but I feel like it'll look nicer on. Yeah, just got that. I think we've still got a few more bags to go through. Okay, I actually lied. I did get a little bit of body care, and I also got some candles, which I'll explain in a minute. But first I went to Victoria's Secret, and I got myself some undies there. And they're really, really cute. So, I got these like kind of like plum shade ones. I think they're all the same style, just different colours. So they've got like the jeweled like Victoria's Secret on the side. It's got like that purple shade, and then I got like a, is that leopard print colour? And then just a pink colour. I think the pink undies are really, really cute. I think they're like 3 for $45 or something like that, so couldn't pass up that deal. I don't know, it was something good though. So yeah, I got those. And then I got, I don't know where the body care has gone, but I did have some Victoria's one. I got like a moisturiser and stuff as well, but I got the Aqua Kiss fragrance mist. I can't even remember what it smells like. Oh yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah, it smells good. So yeah, got that. And yeah, I did get some like body butters and body lotions, but I don't know where they've gone. So anyway, so we went to the market and we saw these ladies selling these candles and they were so cute. Just had to buy them. So I did. So the first one I got is, okay, so she's called Barista Body Beans, I'm pretty sure. Is she? No, maybe I'm lying. Yeah, no, that's what she's called, Barista Body Beans. She was at the market in Surfers, but the first one I got was blueberry cheesecake. Like, look how cute these are. I really want to bring back my candle business, and I will eventually when I'm in a bit of a better position. I just need to get some other stuff sorted before I go back. I even think about getting back into that, but yeah, I do really want to do it, and I really want to go above and beyond this time with my candles. So next one I got is lemon meringue. This one smells fucking incredible. I can't even describe it. Like, when I smelled that one, it was over. It was over. Then I also got this one. This is called the Surface Paradise Beach Soy Candle. Doesn't have a scent on it, but it smells really good. Super like fresh. Kind of smells like Midori almost. But yeah, it's got like all the little decorations on top. It's just super cute. She had so many candles there, so many awesome ones, and they weren't that expensive either. Like for handmade, knowing how much time it goes into making a candle, they were priced pretty fairly. This one is pineapple, coconut, and vanilla, which also smells so incredible. Yum. And then the last one I got was, I kind of regret not buying all of them now, but I had to get them back on the plane. This one is strawberry shortcake, which also smells incredible. I really want to start burning one of them now. I think I'm gonna. Am I being impulsive? I might wait until I'm in my room. So yeah, I got those. And then we just have the last bit of clothes to go through. So we'll do that now. So this is the bag I was talking about before that matches my bikinis. I once again had to buy a bag because I always buy too much stuff when I go on holiday and then I can't fit it in my luggage. So okay, so this is so cool. We went to Build-A-Bear and they had the Nightmare Before Christmas ones in there, and they had the mayor and his head turns around. I just knew I had to have him. Like, that is the coolest thing I've ever seen. So I was so excited when I saw that. And then I also got myself a Beetlejuice bear, because once again, when I saw him, I had to have him. Absolutely love both of those movies, so it was a given. I got myself some shoes, and I am absolutely obsessed with them. This is how they look. They're Puma shoes. I don't know what style or anything like that. It doesn't say. But I'm absolutely obsessed, and they're my new favourite things. And I haven't worn them back in Tasmania yet because they've been sitting into my bag waiting for me to film this video, but I'm obsessed. And then the last thing I got was a little ornament of Cartman. Here he is. I love Cartman. I think he's super funny. Yeah, that was everything I got on my trip. I did get like a few other things, like I got some presents, and I got like a new bag. I got a few other bits and pieces that I've already worn, so they're around the house somewhere. And then yeah, like I said, I got that body care and stuff from Victoria's Secret, but I don't know where it is. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.